Okay, this is kind of like a semi-part 2 video. I don't know, because this one is not going to make it on Amazon. Because the first video I intentionally was wearing something non-branded. Maybe it was branded because it was a Nike shirt. I don't know. So I did a video about the DJI NEO drone and shooting vertical video properly using the Insta360 Go 3S and this little attachment here, and how it was getting a bunch of 1-star ratings. No, the various ones, they all seem to be using the same one. They just bought it somewhere and I don't know, they're drop shipping them, doing something. But you know, if you put it on here, it works fine. A bunch of other stuff works fine. Like this one has the little light attachment here, which actually does improve things when you're flying. So anyway, I did the video using my time, solving a problem that people had, if they did have a problem. But you know, people are going like, hey, this thing, you know, doesn't work. But I said there and I show how it actually does work, because the manufacturers or the sellers sure as heck wasn't solving anything. They were just giving up. So I'm not gonna fly it right now. But if you see my last video, I showed that it can work. It has something to do, and I don't know why, because they have no weight whatsoever. If you take the guards off, they work. I just got a rejection from Amazon saying I violated some kind of community guidelines. But I just, in my opinion, put out a good video showing how this thing actually can work. Something that people are like leaving negative reviews on multiple sellers. They don't make any sense to me. But I'm not going to leave any more reviews on this particular item. Those sellers can suffer with their massive 1-star reviews on something that actually can work. Kudos for you. Sure as heck isn't going to work if I put this thing back on there. It's definitely going to hit a landing. Now I'm curious. With all this crap on there, let's see what happens. How to turn it on too. This is going to be fun. Let's see what happens. Nope.
Circle.
Nope.
Rocket.
No.
Spotlight.
Nope.
Direction track.
Nope.
Follow.
Yeah. Wait a minute, I'm gonna.
Droney.
Nope.
Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow.
Let's do it.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Hey! At least it tries. Okay. In my hand. Not even close. Okay, let's take the light off. See what happens. That was funny. Kinda. See what happens if I take the light off.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
It's me. It's me. That's strange. It's staying in the air. Why aren't you going like way back there, bud? It's medium. Medium. Okay, now it's going back. It's coming right back into my face. Whoa. Yeah, not stable. Not stable at all. Yeah. But, yes, that's what discourages you from even helping out, you know? So, yeah. I just wanted to make this. I was actually going to make another video tonight. I was going to do a comparison review between the DJI Action 5 and the GoPro 13, Hero 13, whatever. I have a very boring life. No one loves me. really no one loves me. So, let me get this in here. Hopefully get this video out to you. That's it. I just wanted to say my piece on that. Because, I don't know. You know, if you're going to not, you know, take a review, great, fine. I don't mind, whatever. Tell me why saying community standards doesn't help me. Was it the video? Was it something I said in the review itself? Because I went like, hey, these are all made by Sunny Life. Was that it? Was I not supposed to give the secret away? Was it because I said, hey, all of these are receiving 1-star reviews? I can't know. Was it the video? Is there something in the video that they didn't like? It's a pet peeve with me when you say something as innocuous, it's just out there, nebulous community standards. You crave reviews. You beg for them. And then you go like, please send a picture. Be the first to send a picture. Doing that, they have a special link for unboxing. They love video. Everyone loves video. But I took my time. I really made the video for you guys, those of you who watch or care. But, you know, I figured somebody would love to see a video on Amazon. The same video. That's why I didn't wear a branded shirt or anything. I just don't understand. So, that company, I'm wondering, is it because I showed the actual, that doesn't even make sense either. Because, you know, I showed the screenshot of the actual product. I wonder if that had anything to do with it. That doesn't make sense either. It was saying that, no. I mean, that's the product that was reviewed. See, again, I don't know. You got to tell people. Oh, you know what? I'm done with this. They're never going to see a review on that product. I'm not even going to leave a review without the thing, because saying community guidelines doesn't say a darn thing to people. That's just idiotic. I'm done.